Well, the movie is about these human rights abuses in some parts of the country. So that's the background of the film. But it's more about these two brothers who are members of two different gangs, and the dynamic between the two brothers and the drama behind it.
Okay, it's a very brave movie.
Hopefully,
Yeah, that's interesting.
I can't tell you some things, but I think you should watch it at least twice. So you can pick up all of the sound bites that we put in.
Yeah.
Because some of them are really more subversive than.
Yeah. I remember some of the music you got from that era.
Yeah.
That's actually
Marcos era.
Marcos era. Yeah. Okay.
Public domain eh.
Public domain. Okay.
Dapat kasi national anthem yung dati.
Okay. Sige. Would you suggest Bonamin before the movie?
Yes, I would. And I would suggest a bar pack also.
Okay. Sige. Thank you.
Sige, salamat Jimmy.
Okay.